Okay, Karthik. So, can you see my presentation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you want to discuss the question of page number 10, na? Of Ganita Prakash, right? Page number 10. Okay, I got it. Hmm. Okay. See. So, do you know the concepts of square and square roots now?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Please confirm me this one point, okay? Because uh, here it will work, okay? The concepts of a square and a square not a square root, okay? Before solving these questions, we have to clear on square and square roots, okay? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
And you know now how to find the square roots, the perfect square. Do you
Uh,
know it?
yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's see here as the first question say कि
Sir,
which of the following
sir, so perfect square means 4 is also like a perfect square, right? So every square number
yes
is a perfect square.
yeah, square numbers are
Okay.
generally known as perfect squares,
Okay.
okay. So which of the following numbers are not perfect square? Here we have to say कि which of the following numbers are not perfect square, okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
the first one, it is the first question, and in it the first number is 2030, right? Okay. So acha, for now you have to
Yes,
not
sir.
write, okay. For now you have to not write down it. I will give the separate time for note down, okay. Is it clear now?
Okay, sir.
First try to understand it how we will do it. So as here we have to
So,
check, let's see how we will do. First we have to write given.
so
So here
given
the
is
given number is
202.
first we will write the given number, right? The given
Yeah,
number
the given
is
is 2032.
32, right? Okay, 2032 है ना. Now what we have to do, what we have to find है ना, we will write what we have to find or what we have to check. So
We have
what we have
to
to do
find
here,
the perfect square.
perfect square,
We
right?
have to
So
find the
here we
perfect
will write कि
uh,
here
yeah.
we have to check whether 2030 is a perfect
Square number or not.
uh, square number or not. Is it clear? है ना? We have to
Yes, sir.
check it, right? So here now check. What we will write? Now check it. Okay, we will write it. It's mean कि here we are going to check it. Is it clear now? Okay. So what we have
Yes.
to do? We have to factorize it. What we have to do here?
Prime factor.
हाँ है ना.
Prime
as
factorization.
as we do when we find the square root, right है ना. If we get the square root of this number, it's mean this is a perfect square, right. And if we can't get the square root of this number, it's mean it is not a perfect square, right है ना. So
Yes,
here
sir.
we will check the or find the square root, okay. So now check it, okay. So here we will write by factorization method. By which method? To
Factorization method.
or
Prime
you can
factor.
say by prime factorization method है ना. This one is also known as factorization or prime factorization, both are same, okay. So here we will write
I know it as prime factorization, sir.
what.
I know it as prime factorization.
हाँ. अच्छा, ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम है ना. सो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन फैक्टराइजेशन बोथ आर सेम थिंग, ओके. प्राइम factorization method, okay, है ना.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear? तो
Yes.
show what we will do.
So
2032,
we
right. We have to prime factorize it,
two
है
zero.
ना. We have to
Yeah.
prime factorize it, okay. uh, Let's
So
see here.
first we can prime factorize it with 2, which will
Yes.
get 10,016. No,
Hmm.
1,016.
Yes. So first we will do by 2, है ना? And we
2.
will get, it's mean we
Yeah,
have
and
to
then
just divide by 2. We have to just
yes,
divide it by 2, है
yes,
ना?
sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir. So
Is
then
it
we
clear
get
now? So
1, 0, 1, 6.
do you want to see the division? How we will divide it in a rough? Do you want to
No,
see it or you know
no,
it?
I have already done. No, sir,
Okay,
I have
good,
already
good, very
done
good. है ना? Yeah. As it's my work now, or it's my job to ask you, okay? As I am your teacher, your guider, है ना? So it's my, you can say, कि I have to ask it, okay? So that's why I am consulting with each and every point, okay? So 2
Yes,
1 ja 2, then 0, it will come, and 3,
and
2 1
then
ja 2,
2, 1,
okay?
2,
And
then
2 6 ja
1,
12.
12,
Is that clear?
12,
Any doubt?
and then,
Then now,
yes, sir.
by which number we have to
Then
divide it?
second divide,
Yes, very good. 2. 2 in how many
and
times?
then 58.
5.
58.
One by one. है ना? We will do one by one. Okay, step by
8.
step. Yeah, 5. Then 1 will come. We can't divide it, so give the 0 and 6 will come. Okay, so it will be 8. है ना? 16. 2 8 just 16. So the quotient will be 5, not 8. है ना? 508. Okay. Now by which number we have to divide it?
So how is it 508?
2 5s are 10, and then 0 will come and 8 na. See here in the rough. 2
So
1
why will
0. First, if we will divide the 1, we can't divide 1 na. So we will take one more digit 0. It will be 10. So in 10 times 2 5s are 10. Okay, cancel. Now 1 will come here. Okay, we can't divide it, or you can say ki it will be like this. In 0 times we can divide it. So 2 zeros are 0. Now subtract it, it will be 1. And now 6 will come. So it will be 2 8 ja 16.
okay?
In this way, है ना? Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
And I like that one. You ask the
Yes, sir.
question. If you didn't understand, you are asking the question. I like this one. है ना? Yes, very good. Please keep it. Okay. So now we have to divide it by which number we will divide it. Just tell me.
2. 2.
Yes, very good. है ना? So we will divide it again by 2, right? Here we are applying the divisibility rule also, right? So you know na divisibility rule till 12. If you didn't know, please after the class just do the revision, okay? And in math and science, the previous all concepts or the topic is very useful to learn the next topic or concepts, okay? Because they are related with each other, है ना? That's why I said to all students, to my all students, to do the revision, regular revision, okay? So now here we will apply by 2. In how many times we will divide it? Are you writing, Karthik?
Yes, sir. Kind of.
No, please don't write now, okay? है ना? First try to understand, okay? This question I am solving it, okay? But the next
Okay.
question you have to solve so that I can understand. Yes, you can do it, है ना? So don't worry, okay? First I will explain, then I give the time to note down it, and then you will solve the second questions of the question number 1. Okay, so just tell
Okay.
me by which in how many times we will divide it.
We can again divide it by 2, so then we'll get 2.
Yes,
So 2,
2 2 are
and
4.
then
Yes,
minus 1, so then we get 10.
10.
10,
Very
and
good.
then so 5.
5. Very
So
good.
5,
And
yeah,
here
5, and then 4.
8.
4.
8 4. ठीक है. Very good. Okay. Now by which number we have to divide again?
2.
Again by
2.
2. Yes, है ना? So it
2.
will be 2 in how many times?
1.
1. Okay.
Again 2.
2. Very good. 1
And
will
then
come
we
in the
get
remainder.
14, so 7.
Ah.
7.
Yes, very good. Now by what number we will divide it?
7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, you're applying the divisibility rule of where 3. Very good. है ना? This is the
So
good
then,
method to check one by one.
so then we can divide it by 7 maybe.
Okay, 7, let's check. Can we divide it by 7? If we will divide by 7 in one time, so 7, 5 will be remainder, and 7 will come 57. Can we get 57 in the table of 7?
No.
No, na. So by what number we have to divide it?
9 won't come. So it won't be divisible anymore.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
अच्छा, let's one we will check by 14 15 also है ना. 16 not 17 no 10. Wait, I think 23 24 no na. 26 7 8 9 8. Okay. Yes, so we can't divide it more, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
127 is, I think, also a prime number है ना. So that's why we can't divide it now, right? Okay, is it clear or
Yes,
any
sir.
doubts
So,
till here?
no, sir. So,
No.
yeah. So then 2032 is not a perfect square number.
But here we have to do some more points na,
Yeah,
है
we
ना.
have to write a
Okay.
square and
So
two
here
squares
we will
equal
write
to
it. Yes, we will give the arrow sign before the margin. Okay, so here 2032 equal to what it will be? 2
two
into 2
square.
into 2 into 2 into 127, right? है ना.
Okay, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
root under of 2032 will be root under 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 127, right? है ना.
Yes, sir. So,
Now we have
but
to make the pairs, है ना. So in the left side we will continue it. Root under 2023 equal to, make the pair. See, as we are
two four. To the
finding the
power
square
4.
roots, है ना. So we have to make the pair of 2, right? Two numbers. Okay, here from these two twos we will get the 1 2. Okay, into
Two
from this
square.
two. Now from these two twos we will get 1 2. Okay, and we can't make the pair of 127, right? So it will be under the 127, root under 127. Okay, so this one can be written as,
The root of what?
so
So 120 root of 3 or
2032 will be 2 2 ja 4 है ना. So it 4 root under 127. Okay, 4 root
okay.
under 127. Is it clear or any doubt?
No, sir, I understand.
No na. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
4 root under 127. Okay, so here we
yes,
will
sir.
write, just wait a minute है ना, let me complete it. कि therefore 2032 is not a perfect square. Okay.
Wait. Yes, sir.
Perfect
So, but are
square.
we supposed to write like 2 into 2 into root of 127?
See, this one we will get here. This two, this two, this two, this two. Total 4 2 I have written here. Okay, and this 127 I have written here. Okay, now we are finding the square root, right? So
Yes, sir.
I keep it under the root under. Okay, root under. Okay, both side. Okay, is it clear? Now as we are finding the square root, है
Yes,
ना.
sir.
So we have to make the pair of 2, right? Pair of 2 2. Okay, so here we can make the pair of these two. Okay, but we can't make the pair of 127 na. So we will keep it inside the root under. We will keep it inside the root under. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Just
Yes,
tell
sir.
me.
But if we're keeping it like under the root, aren't we like
Mm-hmm.
supposed to like add a digit like 2 to 127?
What?
Right?
Huh. Hello, Karthik, what you are saying?
Yes. So if we like, okay, yeah, actually, never mind. I understand.
You got it, na? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any
No,
doubt?
sir. Understood.
No, na? So did you understand how we will solve this type of question? If you solve this type of
Yes, sir.
question like this, in this way, then definitely I can guarantee you that definitely you will get the good marks. Okay? Not a single marks you will lose. है ना? So always remember, if I will take the test, you have to do in the same way. You have to mention each and every step. Okay? Is it clear now? Otherwise you may lose the marks. And in your academics exams, okay, in your school exam, you have to follow the same way. Okay? Because when you will go in 9th or 10th class, when you will sit on the board, you have to solve the problems or math in by mentioning each and every steps. Okay? So when you will learn these things at that time, then you make mistakes, right? So that's why I am training you from now. Okay? So that when you will sit on the board exams, no mistake will be done by you, right? Hannah, and your teacher will definitely will be impressed, right? Okay? So you have to now from today, when you will solve the maths in your classwork copy, homework copy, school copy, exam copy, test copy, or in your rough copy, everywhere, whenever you will solve the maths, you have to do step by step. Is it clear? Or
Yes.
if you will stuck, you can ask me. है ना? Okay, is it clear now? So now note down this one. Huh?
So, I how to do the first one, and I've
Okay,
already noted.
no problem. Okay. So is there any doubt in this question? This one?
No, sir.
No.
Understood.
Okay. So you want to
Except
discuss the
one more
third
thing.
question directly, na?
Yes, sir.
What?
So one more thing, like when I'm calculating in the prime factorization, I only do like the 2, 3, 2, 3, 7, 9, and then 11. And I stop till there.
Okay. So in
That's
which
fine.
question you got like this?
Sir? Sir?
In which question you are getting like this?
No, sir, I'm just saying, I just do that. Is that fine?
Oh, means you are saying कि suppose we have a number, है ना, let x, and when you will factorize it, you are getting 2 into 3 into 7 into 11 like this, right?
No, sir. I checked these numbers if they like divisible. So we have 127, no, sir. So I only check it with 2, 3, 7, 9, and 11.
Hmm.
So that's fine, no, sir. Only like that prime factorization.
Yes.
Or should I like
Yes.
learn more prime factors?
Yeah, instead of doing with the all numbers, you can do by these numbers, because as you can see, the concept or the meaning is already hidden in the name. What is the name of this method?
Prime factorization.
Fact prime factorization, right? The two word are hidden here. The first one is prime, the second one is factorization, right? Factorization means factor, है ना? Factorization means we have to find the factor, and that factor will be the prime number. That
Yes, sir. I
factor
know
will
that part.
be in the form of prime number. Okay, is
Okay,
it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear now? So
Yes, sir.
factor means we have to find the number which can divide the given number. है ना? This is the definition of the concepts of factor. We have to find that number which can divide the given number. So we have to find that number, and that number should be a prime number. So that's why instead of checking with all numbers, we will directly check with the prime numbers. It will save our time. Is it clear now?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Okay, that's why I always prefer to go step by step and concept wise. Okay, so that it will be beneficial for the students. If you will directly jump on the question, then definitely some doubts or the confusion will create in the middle of the questions. Okay.
Okay. So
Other
can we do
अच्छा
third
खैर
Roman
कोई
now?
नहीं, let's leave it. हाँ क्या बोलने, what happened?
Can we do third Roman now?
हाँ sure. So you want the explanation for third number, right?
Third Roman, first one, and like all of them, 1 to 5.
No, no, no. 1 to 5 are the options. They are not the questions.
Oh,
The
so there are
question is
options.
only third one. They all are the options. Okay.
Oh, okay.
What is the value of 126 square? Okay, 120 square of 126 can be written in which form? The five options are given. In which form we can write the resultant of 126 square? Mean square number of 126. Okay, square of 126 can be written in which form? We have to write here. Okay, so let's see here how we will do it. Okay, as here it is given, I am writing the question. Okay, not the answer. See here, the question is ki 125 square is equal to 15625, right? So here
Yes, sir.
what is the value of, what
So
is
if
the,
so, they're asking if 125 square is equal to
huh,
15,625.
yes,
They're asking what is the value of 126 square. So plus one.
hmm,
So then the
hmm,
answer shouldn't the answer be number two, option number two, 156,652 plus 26 square.
no, how it will be like this? It will be more na. If you will solve it, you will get a greater number than the square of 126. Okay, you will get a greater number. So just wait a minute, let me first complete the question. Okay, after that I will explain the
Okay, sir.
question, how you have to solve it. Plus 251, and the fifth number is 15625 plus 51 square. Okay, this one is good. This is the question, and these five are the option. Among these five, the one, only one is the correct. Okay, now let's
Yes, sir.
see here how we will solve it. Okay, so first we will write the given. Okay,
Yes, sir.
125 square is equal to
One.
15625, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we have to find, now we have, or write it like this.
We have to find the value of 126 square.
Hmm. Here we have to find 126 is square is equal to question mark. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
So now let's see here. First we will find the square of 126. Okay, square of 126 है ना? तो so 126, 126 to the power 2 is equal to 126 into 126, right? है ना? Is it clear? Now can you please multiply this one and tell
Yes,
me
sir.
what will be the answer? What will be the answer when we will multiply 126 into 126? Just do it in your rough and tell me. Just do it in rough
Yes,
and
sir.
tell
Give me
me
one.
what it will be.
Five, two, and then uh, six, two, one,
Yes, so what is your answer?
15876.
15876. Very good, है ना? So here we will write कि so 126 square is equal to 15876, right? है ना? And we have to keep it
Yes, sir.
inside a box because it is important, right? है ना? Now
Yes, sir.
let's check the option. Is there any option in this form 115,876? Is there any option given
Uh,
like this?
No, sir.
No. But when you will focus on the options, you will get one thing कि 1526 is in every option, right?
Yes, sir.
Right now. So it, and
Huh?
here it is given कि 1000 to 125 square is 15,625, right? Mean this part which is given in all
Yes, sir.
option, this is the square of 125, right? है ना? And there are some
Huh,
extra
sir.
number is here, okay? And when you will see the
Yes, sir.
option, this result, you will get कि this result is greater than 15625, right? Which is the square of 125 square, right? Is it clear? As you can see, this
Yes, sir. Yes.
result is greater than the given one, na? Okay, it's mean when we will subtract these two numbers, we will get the extra number, right? We will get the extra number, na? Okay, so
Yes, sir.
here we will do
The extra
okay,
number is
now
251.
just wait a minute. 15,876 minus 15,625. What you will get? What you will get?
We will get 251.
251, right? Is it clear? It's
So it's
mean
option 4.
can
Option 4.
can I write it like this? So 126 square, that is equal to the 15,876, and it can be written it like this: 15,625 plus 251. We can write it like this now, okay? And
Yes,
we
sir.
will keep it inside a box, okay? So here we will write ki so option option 4, which is 15,625 plus 251 is correct answer. Correct answer, or you can say option.
Answer.
Correct option. Is it clear? And here we will write ans answer. Is it clear now? So in this way you have to
Yes,
solve
sir.
these
Yes.
questions. Okay? In this way you have to solve this type of question. Now tell me, is there any doubt in this question or not?
No, sir. I understand.
Got it now?
Yes.
Okay. So please first note down this one, and after this we will continue with your next doubt. So fifth question now you want, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Just wait a minute, let me write the question, okay? As it is saying ki
Okay.
find the smallest number, okay? Find the
Smallest
smallest,
square number. That
smallest
is
square
divisible
number,
by
yes.
4, 9, and 10.
Smallest
So 4,
square
9.
number, smallest square number which, by which, okay, by,
Which can be divided by 4, 4, 9, and 10.
no, wait, square numbers, okay, wait, sorry, I was writing the sixth question, wait, square number,
Factor. So you could have just put by which can be okay no.
what?
So
That
nothing, sir.
is, okay, divisible by each of the following, है ना? Each of the following numbers, okay? Numbers, they are 4, 9, and 10, okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So as here we have to find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the following number 4, 9 and 10. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or any doubt, just tell me, did you understand the question or not? First tell me.
I understood the question, sir. So
You
we
got
have
the
to find
question
the
now?
smallest square number. So we have to find the smallest square number which can be divided by 4, 9, and 10.
Hmm. See here, as you can see, what we have to do, we have to find the smallest square number. Okay, means
Yes,
the
sir.
number, the resultant number should be a square number. Okay, is it clear? Now
Yes, sir.
let's see here, that is divisible by, focus on this question, this word, means कि that number, the resultant number will be divisible by these numbers, right? It's mean कि
Yes.
suppose x is the smallest square number which is divisible by 4, 9, 10. Okay, it's mean we can say that na कि 4, 9, 10 can divide x, right? Okay, 4, 9, tax 10
Yes, sir.
can divide the x. X is the resultant number which we have to find. Okay, so these numbers, the 4, 9, 10 are called as, by what we will call to 4, 9, 8 for x. These 4, 9, 10 will be factor of x or multiple of x. Just tell me. As here 4, 9, 10 will divide to x, na? Will divide to
How?
resultant number, right? So 4, 9, 10 will be factor of x or multiple of x.
Oh, wait. It'll be factor.
So easy. Huh. These will be the
Factor.
factors. Okay, factors of x, right? X means the resultant number which we have to find. Okay, and here x will be what for 4, 9, 10? X will be
Four. It'll
4,
be like
9, 10 are factors. Then
prime factor.
automatically x will be,
The number which is gonna be prime factorized.
no, no. I am talking about the factors and multiple, na. First we have to know na ki what we have to do in this question. How we will get the answer, right? So to getting that point, we are discussing these things. Okay, to getting that point. And in the same way, you have to think when you will do this type of question, either by yourself, in exam or in test. Okay, in the same way you have to think. It will make the question easy. Okay, if you will think like this,
Okay,
कि
sir.
we have to divide x, right, by these numbers. It's mean these number will be the factor of x, and x will be,
X will be the number which is gonna be divided.
no, no, Karthik, no, no. See here, as suppose 12, 12 is the number. Okay, if 12 is divided by 4, then 4 is the factor of 12, right? Factor of 12, we can say
Yes,
that
sir.
like this na. Then what will be the 12 for 4? What is the relation from 12 side for 4? 12 will be
Uh,
multiple.
12
It's too easy, na?
multiple.
I think you have already learned these things in your previous classes. We learned multiple factors
Yes,
in 5 class. You are in 8th class, right? है ना? Okay, no problem. But when we will continue our classes, at that time you have to keep your revision continue. Okay? Otherwise, you will definitely stuck like this. है ना? Okay? So, as here 4 is the factor of 12 and 12 is the multiple of 4, right?
yes,
Is
sir.
it clear? Any doubt
Yes,
till
sir.
here?
No,
Now come to the
no doubt, sir.
question. Now come to the question. As we have to find a number which will be divisible by 4, 9, 10, right? है ना? Which will be divisible by 4, 9, 10. Okay? It's mean 4, 9, 10 all are the factors of that number. And what will be
Yes,
the
sir.
relation of that number for 4, 9, 10? X will
It will be
be
multiple.
multiple. Very good, है ना? It's mean what we have to find for 4, 9, 10? What
For
we have
four
to
nine ten, we
find?
have to find
Multiple
smallest
of 4,
multiple.
9, 10, है ना? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It's mean we have to find the multiple of 4, 9, 10. Okay, as here we have to find the same multiple for all, right? So this will be
Yes,
known
sir.
as common multiple, common multiple, right? It will be common multiple of 4, 9, 10, na?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Now there
Yes,
is a
sir.
word given here. What is this?
Which
What is
one, sir?
this?
I can't see.
This one, this one.
That one. Smallest.
Find the
Smallest.
smallest, and
Smallest square number.
smallest, or we can say that lowest. So that number will be lowest common multiple of 4, 9, 10. Did you got it?
Yes, sir.
Did you got it now? It's mean what
Yes,
we
sir.
have to find of 4, 9, 10?
We have to find the smallest common
Lowest
multiple.
common multiple of 4, 9, 10. Did you understand how we will understand the questions? How we will know ki what we have to do in a question? Did you understand this point?
Yes,
Did
sir.
you got it? It's
Yes,
mean
sir.
we have to do the find the lowest common multiple of 4, 9, 10. Okay, so here we will
Yes.
write ki we have to find the LCM of 4, 9, 10. Is it clear? The LCM of 4, 9, 10, है ना? There are many methods to find the LCM of 4, 9, 10. Is it clear? There are many methods now.
Yes, sir.
Tell me or
Yes, sir.
not. Just
No,
tell me.
sir. Yeah.
Yeah, there are three methods:
Three.
ladder method, prime factorization method, है ना?
Or LCM
Okay.
method.
Yeah, LCM is not the method. Okay. LCM is not the method. LCM is lowest common method, है ना? Lowest common multiple, sorry. Lowest common multiple. Okay.
Sir,
Is
what
it
do you mean
clear?
by what do you mean by like there are three other methods?
Yeah,
So
there are total three methods of LCM.
will we do that after LCM?
When we learn the LCM, we will learn three methods of finding LCM. Okay, so in that method we learn different types of method. Okay, to find the LCM, they are listing method, okay, prime factorization method, and the division method, which is also known as ladder method. So by
I think
using
I'm
these
comfortable
methods we
with.
can find the LCM of any number.
Okay, I think I'm
Okay,
comfortable with prime factorization method in LCM.
what?
I'm comfortable in prime factorization method for LCM. So
Ah, okay, no problem. You can do by any method. You
okay,
can
sir.
do by any method, है ना? So
Okay.
if you want to do the prime factorization method, then no problem. So you have to write the method. We have to find the LCM of 4, 9, 10 by by prime factorization method. Okay,
Prime factorization.
factorization method. Okay.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear? So it's mean here you have to prime factorize separately to each one. 2 2 are 4. Now 9. 3 3 are 9. And then 10, right? 2 5 are
Yes,
10.
sir.
So here I am doing it roughly, okay? Because it's already 7:50 and I have another class, okay, by 8. So it will be 4 into 2 into 2. 9 equal to 3 into 3. And 10 equal to 2 into 5. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the LCM? What we have to do? LCM
2
of
2 into 2 into 3
4,
into 3
9,
into
10 will be
2 into
2
2,
into 2
3 into
into
3,
3 into
3,
3
2
into 5,
into
right?
5. 2
3 into 3 and 5, है ना?
So aren't we supposed to write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5?
Now, for this, you have to go to the concept of LCM. As you said, you all know the LCM, you know how to find the LCM, and as you said ki you are comfortable with this method, that's why I take this method. Here we are
Okay, sir.
finding the LCM, na? If you go with a ladder method, you can easily do it. Ladder method is the easy method, okay? Because here we go with the common factor. So that's why, okay? 2, 2 ja
Okay,
4,
sir.
9 as it is, 2, 5 ja 10, okay? So after
Okay,
this,
sir.
as you can see, 2 into 2, 9 can be written as 3 into 3, the same thing, and 5. So it will be 2 into 2
Okay.
into 9 into 5. The same thing is here, 2 into 2,
Okay.
9 into 5. Okay? है ना?
Okay, sir.
Yes. And if you have any
So
doubt
2
in
to
this
4.
method, then when I will explain, when we will learn the LCM, then at that time I will explain it, okay?
No, sir. Just can you please complete it? I just want to like get to know how to do the answer. So 2 twos are 4, 4 9, like 3 threes are 9, and then into 5. So
Hmm.
then are we supposed to do 4 into 9 into 5?
180. It will
180.
be
So that's the
180. है ना? Okay? But this is not the perfect square. As here we have to find the perfect square, na? Smallest square number. If it was asking about just smallest number, then at that time 100 180 will be the answer, okay? But here as it is
okay.
asking about the perfect smallest number, smallest square number, sorry, है ना? So as you can see, if as we know that कि to find the square root we make the pair, right? है ना? We make the pair, na? So when you will factorize 180, what you will get? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, right? You can
Yes,
make the
sir.
pair of 2, you can make the pair
Yeah,
of
so 2
3,
into
but you
5.
can't make the pair of 5, right? है ना?
So we like
It's
5
need,
we add.
yeah,
Oh, no, root of
it's
5.
mean, wait, it's mean we need one more 5, है ना? We need one more 5. So here to find the smallest square multiple of 4, 9, 10, okay? Smallest square multiple of 4, 9, 10, we will multiply 180 into 5, okay? Is it clear? We
Yes,
will
sir.
multiply this one. Why? So when we will do the prime factorization of 180, we will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, right? And this
Yes,
5
sir.
will come here. So it will become a perfect square. As you can see here, all are making the pair with each other, right? है ना? So this will be,
Sir,
what it will be?
but I have a question. How
Tell
did
me.
we like? Where did we get 5 from? The second 5.
We have to multiply it by ourselves, na? As it is saying question. As in the question it is saying ki we have to find the smallest prime number, smallest square number, right? So as we know
Okay.
that, if when will be the number will be a perfect square? Tell me.
Oh, so that's why we could just add a 5. If they
No, not
like, if
add.
they
We will
just
multiply 5. We will not add 5. Adding 5 is the different thing. Or multiplying the 5 by 5 is the different thing. Okay? Is it
yes, sir.
clear? Hana?
Yes, sir.
So any doubt in this
Yes.
question?
No, sir. I understood. We just had to like make the smallest square number, which could be the
Square
two
numbers.
digits, 4, 9,
Yeah.
and 10.
And
10.
as we know that ki when we will do the prime factorization of a square number, we will get the pair of each prime numbers, right? But as you can see here in 180, when you will do the prime factorization, we are not getting the square pair of 5, right? So that's why we
Yes,
are
sir.
here, we are multiplying it by 5. That's why we are multiplying the number 180 by 5, okay? So the resultant number will be 900, and this number is also the multiple of 4, also the multiple of 9, and also the multiple of 10. It's mean कि this will be the smallest square number which can be divided by
which can which can be
divided
by 4,
by
9
4,
and 10.
9 and 10.
So
Is it clear? So this will be the answer, है ना?
yes,
I
yes.
I solve here in a rough. You have to do in a fair way. Okay? You have to not do like this, है ना? This is not the fair. Is it clear? So any doubt? No, na? For
In this
today,
question, no,
huh?
sir.
For today we will continue till here. Okay?